Hey everybody, welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. How's it going? I got a different setup going on here, and I'm just doing this quick review of a video of this, not a video of this kit. So, hopefully everything goes alright with lighting and everything. It is the German Field Maintenance Team and Equipment Set by Tamiya in, with Italeri. It's 1/35th scale. I've heard pros and cons about this kit, so we're going to take a look at what's inside of it. Also, I hope the sound is okay, because I currently don't have a microphone. I'm using the microphone on the camera, so I hope it's picking it up okay. Let's take a look. We'll look at the side of the box. Of course, you got a little truck not included. Let's take a look at some of the hand tools. Some glare on that. And nothing too crazy on that side. Let us take a look at what's inside. And we have some instructions, and we have some sprues, and a little bag of some little stuff here. Let's take a look at what we got here. Looks like we have 2 Tamiya sprues and 2 Italeri sprues. Let's take a look at the Italeri sprues first. Okay, let's see what we got here. Looks like we have, that's a light color to be showing on here. So we have some uprights here. It looks like we have an air compressor. Some goofy looking tools with ejector pins on them. You use the other side. Little hammer. Is that a? It looks like a. Where's it at? There. Looks like a gun with a ball on the bottom. I bet you that's a paint gun. Oh yeah, that looks like a paint gun too. So different. And then this is the hoist. I believe it's an engine hoist, but it's a little compressor. Looks like a gas-powered compressor, not a shop compressor. So that's one of them, and then there's this one, which has your oxygen bottles, an oil drum that has nice texture. See if that shows up. Yeah, that does show up. And a workbench, some smaller gas bottles. Could probably make it a acetylene torch or whatnot. Looks like a ladder, and the other side of the sprue there. So that's these are the Italeri sprues. I looked it up. Alright, now let's take a look at what we have for Tamiya. They like their staples. Alright, so got one. Alright. So we have some jerry cans. A lot of jerry cans. So 12 of them. Wow. So look at you can see the detail in the filler caps or the pour necks. Okay, that's coming in pretty good. I hope this guy's coming in clear for y'all. Compared to my other videos, I'm not sure. Looks like we have a 2-piece or a tow cable of some sort right there. A box, a wooden jack block. That's what that looks like. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, here's the jack here. Looks like a 1, 2, 3-piece jack, 4-piece jack maybe. Alright, let's take a look. This one has our figures on it. So, and we have another drum with some nice detail. You can see the dents and dings on it. Nice tool ratchet set, or I don't know what that could be. This little box with tools in it. And this looks like part of a toolbox here. And then another little step ladder kind of object on it. And a handheld sledgehammer. Look at that. So, and then the 2 figures, you know, not Warhammer quality, but They're not bad. So, nice detail if you like painting figures. So, there is the Tamiya sprues. Then in here you have some nylon rope, some black tubing, some copper wire, and some chain. And then let's take a look. Now let's see if we can look at these instructions here without too many issues. Sorry for bumping the camera. I have to actually manually zoom now. Alright, so we have an A sprue, a C sprue, look like the Italeri sprues. And then we have the assembly of the Italeri engine hoist. And it appears that you use the A sprue to align it correctly to add the spacers to make it square. That's what it looks like here. And then you have your chain and your hoist. And then you have your compressor down here. I'm going to just go in on that just to see how that looks. Come out here. So there's your compressor instructions. And then on this other side, we have your oxygen tanks on the holder. Guess you could turn that into a torch. Some work. I didn't see a torch head though to make that. Then you have a drum on a rack. Smaller drum on a rack, probably for oil. Now they call it an oil can. Then you have a drum with a pump. Drum B, you have your 12 jerry cans. You have 2 different pails. And then you have a toolbox A, toolbox B, and toolbox C. Then you have a toolkit, jack A, jack B, a anvil, storage box A, storage box B, a work table, and a ladder that is using the B sprue to set the angle on it also. You can see that there. You're using the actual notches on the sprue. And then you have your tow cable, which uses the string painted XF84. And then you have your 2 maintenance crew people. And that is the German field maintenance team and equipment kit from Tamiya. It just says 23. Oh, item. No, that's the vehicle. Oh, here it is. Item 37023. I don't know what the 2000 is. Probably the price in some other country. So that's about all the information on there. So again, item number 37023. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description for the kit. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope the video quality is of my normal filming, which, you know, I don't know how that is. So thank you for watching. I am the Crazy Gamer. This is Crazy Gamer Models. You guys have a fantastic day.